How to get your Airbnb promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in your Airbnb promo code and then search for it. With that, fun website links will appear. Navigate to this fun website option, couponfollow.com. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for your Airbnb. Just scroll down and check out the offers: $50 off, $200 off, 15% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on Redeem at your Airbnb. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website of it, go ahead and log into your account. Book your room and proceed to checkout. While you're on the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code, confirm your room. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for your Airbnb. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for your Airbnb. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.